Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today, January 2022, first battle box of the new year, and we're going to be taking a look at it right now. Alright, so we got our first battle box of 2022, and it has slimmed down some, so I hope that wasn't a New Year's resolution, but hopefully they continue the trend of giving us some really good stuff. So, let's see what we got. And as always, we get our card, and this is Mission Brief 83, and it says, Happy New Year, BattlBox family. It's time to kick off 2022 with Mission 83 BattlBox. We are looking forward to the new year with a lot of new sweet gear. So we're going to start off this box filled with gear that you can utilize every day in 2022. And it says get ready for a year of BattlBox like you've never seen before. Alright. And as always, if you continue on, they give you a list, which we're not going to look at. And since this box is kind of flat and everything, you kind of see everything. First off, here we have a container of Black Rifle Coffee Company. This is just black, and however you feel about the company and some of the PR that they've got recently, you know, that's neither here nor there. But I don't really drink coffee, so this is something that, you know, might just go up in one of my kits or something, because I don't really drink coffee. So, and we got some Velcro straps for something else in here. Got some more straps, so we'll kind of set that to the side for just a second. We got a mini dehumidifier from Evadry, and this is good for closets, safes, drawers, you know, pretty much anywhere you want to control the humidity. So yeah, these things are really neat. I guess this, what is this? How does it, what's the main thing in it that makes it? It says it's, yeah, I guess you plug it in, because it has a little plug thing on it. Let's see, let's open it up and check it out. Yes, it does have a thing there, you can see where you plug it in. Sounds like it has the desk kits in there. So I guess that's cool, because the thing you must be able to recharge it just by plugging it into the wall, I would assume. I don't want to sit here and take time to read the instructions, but yeah. Yeah, if you want to know anything about this, you can go check them out. But it is nice that I would assume you plug it in to recharge the desk kit material in there. So if that's the case, that's really cool. That's something that's really handy. The next thing we have Fire Escape from Outdoor Element. It's just a little multi-tool carabiner. Let's see what all it has on it here. It says it has a ferro rod. What else? Replaceable utility blade for, okay, that's this cover right here, I guess. That has this little thing on it. Okay. So that's pretty cool. It has a ferro rod. Okay. That's kind of cool. There's the back end of it, if you can see that. So yeah, you start seeing a lot of stuff like this, and it says rated for 125 pounds. That's really neat. You start seeing a lot of companies trying to get really creative with stuff like this, where they make just something simple like a carabiner, and they try to cram all kinds of other stuff in it. I don't know, some people don't like it. I'm kind of neither. I don't really have an opinion either way about it. So I've got a knife, and what these things are for, I would assume they're for this. And let's see, I'm pretty sure this is something that just goes on the seat of your vehicle, I would assume. Yes. And here's kind of the instruction sheet if you can see that. Check that out. And they give you 2 of them. Actually, this is the small one. And there's the larger one. You guys can see that. So they give you 2 of these. These things are probably what, a good 1/4 inch thick. Has, you could run webbing through that, and then it has the points up here for you to attach the provided Velcro, and you can strap this one to like a headrest, and then this one would go to the back seat of your seat. And yeah, it has all kinds of different places to where you could put stuff. You can go to Amazon and you can actually search for stuff like this, and I'm going to do a video of a Jeep here in the near future, and it has a seat cover. Okay, it's just a seat cover, but integrated into it, it has sewn into it MOLLE and pouches and all that kind of stuff. And we have a little card for the outdoor element piece of gear that gives you 25% off. So that's cool. And then the instructions for this, and that's it. That's everything for this month. So we have a seat, a headrest, piece of gear, the straps for that. We have this multi-purpose carabiner. We have the dehumidifier and some Black Rifle Coffee Company, apparently just black coffee. Now our knife. It's from Tech-Toe Gear. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Yeah, same old normal warnings. It's a knife. It's sharp. Don't cut yourself. Let's see what we got here. And it comes with a little holster or sheath. And it's just a real simple, has one big belt loop there. And it's just a little, very simple holder. Nothing really remarkable about it. And the knife, as you can tell here, it's has a cool green, like a really dark green, dark tan, real earth tone color to it. Has a clip here. Let's see. It was a drop point. Real simple. Really good looking blade. Hopefully you can see that. Has some carbon marks there in the blade. Really cool. I like blades that look like that. It just makes them look like some kind of weird, Spanish steel or, something like that. So let's see. How does this thing close? There you go. Yeah, it's a real simple. It's a little simple knife. It does have a trigger mechanism right here that you can flick to open it up. Has a really good lock. It has the I don't really know what you'd call that, but it locks the blade in place. It's just it's another piece of the inside of the frame that pivots over when you open the blade, so it actually jams the blade open. I don't really know what they call it, what the nomenclature is for that kind of lock, but it's almost all kind of knives. Real easy to open. Yeah, real simple. It's a real simple knife. If you like, to me, what little knives like this come down to is, do you like the blade? That's really the main thing. And let's see what this is. I've never really heard of this brand. It's T-E-K-T-O. And apparently this little sheet they have is for multiple knives, because we have multiple knives here. Blade anatomy, or no, maybe it's not. Okay. Oh, this is just a little general information thing about knives. Oh, this is really neat, actually. This, I don't know how good you can see this because it's black, but it actually gives you all kinds of information about knives in general, not necessarily this knife. And that's something I've never really seen in a knife, is information like this. Usually it's just something about the knife itself. So this is really interesting. It gives you all the blade shapes, like normal, straight, trailing point, needle point, drop point, spear point, dagger, tanto, sheep's foot. Let's see, what does it say about the anatomy of the knife? The handle, the frame, the jimping, which this doesn't have a break. This doesn't have a striker on the end of it. So this seems like it's just a simple knife that you would attach to your belt. And if you liked it, would really depend on if that kind of blade is something that you would want. And like I said, the knife's not very big, and it's very, very simple. There's no, just straight. There's no indentions to fit in your hand, so it's gonna feel, plain. There's nothing remarkable about it at all. So yeah, has a frame lock for the blade. Simple. Can't go wrong with simple, right? So let's look in our book, since the information for that came with this knife was just about knives in general, not necessarily about this particular knife. So let's see what the book has to say about this particular knife. And we'll go through this stuff real quick. The Black Rifle Coffee Company, it's 12 ounces of just black coffee. It's $14.99. So that's what the price of your 12-ounce pack of coffee is. Our carabiner, our multi-tool carabiner here, $27.50. $27.50 for this. Not for me. Would not give $27.50 for a 125-pound carabiner that just has a seatbelt cutter and it looks like a ferro rod. Oh, it has a bottle opener too. Yeah, I don't know about that. The mini dehumidifier, $14.95. Actually a good deal. $14.95 is not bad for something like that, especially if you have a safe. If you have a safe, this is awesome. Throw it in there. Yeah, that's good. Totally agree with that. The Gray Man Tactical Headrest Organizer. So that's the organizer here, the small one that goes on the back of a headrest. $49. And I'm not kidding. That's not a typo right there. $49. And the seat back is $99. $99 for the big one, and $50 for the headrest. That's $150 just in these two composite pieces. And I'm going to tell you, I work in the composite industry. Yeah, $150 for those two things. They're making money. I wouldn't buy them for $150. Just saying, that's just me. All right, the knife, it's a Elara, E-L-A-R-A. Elara is, I guess, the model of this knife, and it's $100. And what they have to say about it is a material. The handle is the G10 steel. The blade material is 440C drop point. All right, blade hardness 60 HRC. Has a blade length 3.62, a handle length 4.59. It weighs 83 grams. So, if it's a 440C, what gives it its carbon look? Like what? Do they say anything about it, or is it just, it is what it is? No, it just is what it is. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. So yeah, there you go. A 440C drop point. I've never heard of the company before, so. And the one, well yeah, it does look like that. The one that's pictured in the book here is not really the same color as the one we got. That's okay. So all in all, this is January Mission 83 Battle Box. Let's see. The knife, it's one of those knives, take it or leave it. I'm not a fan of the drop point blades. That's just me. The carabiner, nah. The two seat organizers, I can do without those. And I don't drink coffee. So happy about the knife. You know, I like the knife, but I'm a knife fan. And the dehumidifier. Yeah, dehumidifier is awesome. Has tons of uses, especially if you have safes. I have safes, so that's a win. So this box, for me, it's not really all that exciting. But for someone who is, say, getting into preparedness and is actually wanting to think more outside the home, your home environment, and maybe this box could catch you at the right time when you are kind of preparing for your vehicle, when you are getting that, you know, get home bag or putting like a 2-day kit in your vehicle. Now these things, this headrest and the seat back organizer will be invaluable to, you know, will really be worth its weight. Now, is it worth 150 bucks? That's rough. So my criticism on that is just the price. Saying that stuff's 150 bucks, that's a lot. That being said, it is what it is. Tell me what you think in the comments. Mission 83. If you liked it, if you hated it, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down if you didn't like it, and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, see you in the next one. Peace.